Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this 3D flower granny square. So let's get started. To crochet this easy granny square, I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the first stitch to form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. That takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 space. Double crochet in the ring. Chain 1. Double crochet in the ring. Repeat to form 8 double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces in the ring. So chain 1, double crochet, and repeat to form 8. Okay, I have 8 double crochet and 8 chain 1 spaces in the ring. I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that first chain 3. Fasten off. In any chain 1 space, bring in a new color. Lock it in. Chain 2, 1, 2. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space. You're going to repeat that all the way around. Chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around making chain 2s. And there's my last chain 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the base of the first chain 2. Now in every one of these chain 2s you're going to make a petal. To make the petal, it will be the same for each petal. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, yarn around the hook 2 times, quadruple crochet, which is the yarn around the hook 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Pick up the yarn and pull it through, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the top of the quadruple crochet. And now we'll work down the other side of the petal. So you make a triple crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. Like that, and then single crochet in that single crochet. Okay, so in every chain 2 loop around, make a petal like this. Okay, I worked all the way around making my petals. That's my last single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the base of that first petal, and that's what that will look like. Now I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 2 space. And I'm going to go to the next petal, and I'm going to turn it to the back, and this is that quadruple crochet, and I'm going to single crochet in the back of that quadruple crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in that single crochet that separates the 2 petals. Chain 2, 1, 2, come to the next petal, find that quadruple stitch, and then from the back, work around the posts and single crochet. Chain 2, double crochet in the space between the 2 petals. Chain 2, 1, 2, find that quadruple stitch, and single crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, double crochet in that single crochet that separates the petals. You're going to continue around. Chain 2, find the quadruple stitch, single crochet in the back of the quadruple stitch. Chain 2, double crochet in the space separating the two petals. Chain 2, find the quadruple, single crochet. Okay, I've worked all the way around, and there's my original chain 4. So I'm going to slip stitch to join in the second stitch of that chain 4 and fasten off. And that's what it will look like. Attach a new color yarn in any of the chain 2 spaces. Pull the yarn through, lock it in, chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in that same chain 2 space. In every chain 2 space all the way around, make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Go to the next chain 2 space, make 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So in every chain 2 space all the way around, make 2 double crochet. Okay, I worked all the way around making 2 double crochet in every chain 2 space. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of that chain 2. So we have a circle, and now we're going to turn it into a granny square. So I'm going to make my first corner stitch. In this stitch, I'm going to chain 3. And I'm going to make 2 more triple crochet in that stitch. So 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, make 3 more triple crochet in that same stitch. So we're making the corner stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's the corner stitch. That's equivalent to a triple. So that's 1, 2, 3 triples, chain 2, 3 triples. Now I'm going to double crochet in the next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now we have to make another corner stitch. So triple. So 3 triples. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, 3 more triple crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I have a corner and a corner, and I'm going to continue all the way around. I'm going to double crochet in 7, make a corner, double crochet in 7, make a corner, double crochet in 7, and then I'll slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 3. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 3. And now I can fasten off, and there you have a 3D flower granny square. And I have another one here, and I did this flower in off-white, and then that one is in pink. And there you go, some easy 3D flower granny squares. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.